Hello everybody, this is Kostas, and to this short video I'm gonna show you exactly how TubeRank SEO Boost AI works, and how you can easily take advantage of this easy to use app that it's one-time payment, and you can easily use it, no extra fees, and no learning curves. You just uh, create amazing and SEO friendly um, metadata for all your videos. Okay, so let's go on. When you purchase the TubeRank SEO Boost AI, you're gonna be able to create an account easily to this platform, and you can connect anytime using your email and your password. Okay, so let's go on. I'm gonna use my email here, and I'm gonna connect to your to TubeRank SEO Boost AI. Let's do it. Okay. So when you connect, the dashboard is very easy to use. You just have to write the video topic, what your video is all about. You can even use the name of the title of your video. I'm gonna use the TubeRank SEO Boost AI review. Okay, create better YouTube assets fast. I'm gonna use this one just to see how easy it is done. And this, okay, I'm gonna remove the review from here. And TubeRank SEO Boost AI, create better YouTube assets fast. Create amazing and um, easy to convert metadata for your videos. Okay. I can even add even this description here. I can add anything I want over here. And over here, I'm gonna just write the main tool product. That's the name of the product. Okay. And over here, I have to add the link of the product. Okay. Let me just give the sales page over here. Okay, I just paste the sales page and we are ready to go. I'm gonna just click generate full SEO package, and as you can see, the platform just generates everything. You see how to TubeRank's SEO Boost AI, create better YouTube assets fast, create amazing, and okay, that was a too long description, so you see that here is transcreated. Transcreate over here, it's the hashtags of this opportunity, and here you see the SEO description. TubeRank SEO Boost AI, create better YouTube assets fast, create amazing and easy to convert metadata for your video, generate SEO titles, description, hashtags, tags, hide CTR thumbnail prompts, pinned comments, and social sharing instructions in seconds. Is the focus of this video. I'll show you how TubeRank SEO Boost AI can help you create better YouTube. That is gonna be great for this video that I'm creating at the moment. Okay, you see here is the 17 tags and the thumbnail headline if I need to add a headline to my thumbnail. Over here is the thumbnail concept, and over here we see the AI thumbnail prompt. Over here you're gonna see that we got the links to all those free AI platforms. You can use them for free. Okay, if you have a subscription to any of those, you can use it, But in fact, you can, let's try the one that I usually enjoy to use. I believe it's really easy and very friendly to use. I'm gonna click the Adobe Firefly, and here you see the thumbnail strategy. Why we use this kind of thumbnail, and it explains exactly this thumbnail uses one clear promise and one visual idea, so viewers can understand the benefit in less than 1 second. Okay, the short headline creates curiosity, while the clean layout avoids the overcrowded look that usually hurts click-through rate. Most of the thumbnails, you notice to YouTube that they use very complicated thumbnails created with AI and include a lot of details inside, and people don't bother even to read, and they just pass and go to the next video. You see here the pinned content. CTA is want to learn more about TubeRank SEO Boost AI. That is going to be the pinned content. We mean the pinned first comment that we add usually to our videos. You're going to see even to this video to YouTube. Okay, question for you. Always there is a question so that you cause the interaction with your video. Would you use this to create better YouTube thumbnails? Comment below and let me know. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use it. That means that we are trying to engage with our audience and ask people to share and like our content. Okay. Important sharing instructions. After publishing the video, share it to Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn using the first 24 hours. If you only have time for one platform, choose the one where your audience is most active. Add the video link, use a short curiosity-driven line, and ask a simple question to encourage comments. Okay, this one looks really interesting. And social share post. You can just copy this straight away to Twitter, to Facebook, okay, or to X, whatever you like, or share on LinkedIn. That's the most popular, but I'm gonna add later even more social media. Okay. So that's if you click over here, it's gonna open straight to your to the social media. If you click, let's say, to X, it's gonna open X. You see here, it's opening, and you can just write your post. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything like that now. I just want to grab the AI thumbnail prompt. I'm gonna move here and just create one thumbnail for my video. Okay, I'm gonna click generate, and as you can see, it's gonna start generating. It's already created very interesting thumbnails here. You see, I got even the other opportunity that you might found to my platform, that it's the AI sales page creator. It's really an amazing platform. And you can easily combine with the video tube SEO rank. Okay, so we just wait for the image to generate, and that's all you're gonna get. You can use it unlimited times. You can just connect anytime here and create your thumbnail. You create the prompt for your thumbnail and easily get what you need to level up with and rank higher with your videos. Okay, I'm gonna just show you over here what it created. You see thumbnails that click. It's very interesting, and that's what most of you want to earn a lot of views. So this is a very clean image to add to your videos. trust me, that is gonna convert, and it's not gonna cost you a lot to use this platform. It's gonna be one-time payment. It costs just $8, and you use it forever. And trust me, you're gonna see that with those $8, your channel is gonna boost height. But remember, it's always needs consistency. You have to be consistent. You have to be publishing every day, or even day by day, and be able to use this platform and use all those metadata that are produced automatically for you, and you just copy and paste to your video. In case you don't like the result, you can even generate the full SEO package, and you can even trim your video topic. Okay. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. And if you enjoy the video, hit the like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, down here you're gonna find the link or the button to buy this amazing platform. Thank you very much.